This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with a W-2. First, ensure you have your W-2 form, which details your annual wages and the taxes your employer withheld. It's crucial to have this document, along with your Social Security number and bank account information for direct deposit or payment. You'll also need to decide how you want to file, using tax software, hiring a tax professional, or completing paper forms yourself. Each method has its own advantages, so pick what suits your comfort level and situation best. Your W-2 form contains vital information for filing your taxes. Box 1 displays your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation, which is the amount the IRS considers for income tax. Box 2 shows the total federal income tax that was withheld from your pay throughout the year. Additionally, Boxes 3 through 6 provide details on your Social Security and Medicare wages and the corresponding taxes withheld. Understanding these boxes is fundamental to accurately reporting your income and ensuring you receive the correct refund or pay the right amount. When it comes to filing, electronic methods, whether through tax software or a professional, are generally faster and reduce the chance of errors. As you prepare your return, remember to consider any eligible deductions, such as student loan interest or educator expenses, which can lower your taxable income. Before you submit, always take the time to thoroughly review your entire return for any mistakes. Double-checking ensures accuracy and helps avoid potential issues with the IRS, making your filing process smoother. The final step is submitting your tax return by the deadline, which is typically April 15, to avoid any late filing penalties. If you find that you owe taxes, make sure to submit your payment on time using an approved method, such as direct debit or a credit card. Remember, staying organized throughout this process can save you time and stress. Also, for those looking for great deals and to stay refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.